pan washer head screw. This screw has been used for decades by woodworkers to fasten MDF or thin masonite. These boards are simply too soft or too thin to use a regular flathead screw. So a pan washer screw would be the screw of choice in this case. It's just that it doesn't look very good. That's why we're introducing the Pwr Drive Fib. Overall, fairly similar screw, same size head, same strength with a much better look. So there you go, Pwr Drive Fib.